Biodiversity basically means a diversity of life. And diversity of life, what it does is it supports the food chain. If you remove certain items from the chain, the whole chain collapses. One of the basic things that makes migratory birds change their patterns. When there is a loss of habitat, the different species that rely on the habitat for food and nesting, then they move to another place. If they won't get their food in my home, they'll go to some other home. All the different ducks and geese and coots and all these are flamingos and everything else, they rely on water bodies. And because of less water, they look for places where the water is clean, there is water, it is clean, and there is food to eat. Where there is a lot of shooting of ducks and other birds, they are smart. They have memories which are passed on from generation to generation. The same way as they know that they have to fly in a particular direction up to a particular place, never having done it before, but they know exactly what they're supposed to do. The same way, they know which are the areas they have to avoid. So poaching, hunting is another very big contributor. I think in today's day and age, hunting should be prohibited across the board. There should be no hunting at all. There should be no killing of animals and birds for game. There shouldn't be. We are not living in the 19th or the 18th centuries anymore. We are now, this is 2020. Life has changed too much.